Welcome to a session which will give us a brief overview of financial statements. But let's first consider a simple question. What do we do when we are not feeling well? We go to a doctor. If the doctor can't tell us immediately what is wrong with us, she usually tells us to get a health checkup done. The medical report or test results show us key health indicators such as blood pressure, sugar level in the blood, etc. Doctor reads these indicators and then she tells us about our health. If the values of health indicators are in the normal range, then we know that our health is fine. Otherwise, it is not. In the same way, financial statements tell us about the health of a business. Every business uses 3 financial statements for this purpose. These are called profit and loss statements or P&L in short, cash flow statement and balance sheet. We are now going to briefly look at these statements starting with P&L statement. P&L indicates how a business performed during a given period. This period could be a year or 3 months or a month. The P&L tells us 3 things. How much money the business earned during the period by selling products and services to its customers. These are called revenues. The second thing it tells us is how much money the business spent during that period. This was mainly on making those products and services and then on selling them to the customers. These are called costs. It then subtracts costs from revenues and tells us how much profit or loss the business made during that period. You may have noticed that we have been using the word earn for revenue and the word spend for costs. But is the money always received immediately when a customer buys a product or service? No, that is not always the case. Sometimes customers promise to pay this money later. Similarly, is the money always given immediately when a business has a cost such as while buying raw material? No, this is also not always the case. Sometimes businesses promise to pay this money much later, which means for a given period in a business, some transactions are done using cash and some are done with a promise to receive or pay later. These promised transactions are called credit transactions. To check the health of a business, we need to know for which transaction cash came into the business and for which it went out. This is precisely what the second financial statement called cash flow statement is about. Let's briefly look at that statement now. The cash flow statement shows where the cash came from, called inflow, and where it went, called outflow during a period. At the start of a period, the cash flow statement tells us this is how much cash we have available for the business to start our activities. And at the end of the period, we find out how much cash remains at the end, which will then be carried over for the next period. We usually divide the cash inflow and cash outflow transactions into 2 types. The first is recurring, which has those transactions which take place in a business very frequently. Some examples of such transactions are when a customer pays for a product or a business pays salary to its employees. The second type is called non-recurring, which has those transactions which do not take place frequently in a business. A good example is when a business buys a machine and pays for it. The third important financial statement is called balance sheet. It indicates the long-term health of a business right from the time when it started. The balance sheet is always as of a particular date. On a given day, it tells us about 3 things. The first is about what the business owns. These are called assets. The second thing is about what the business owes to others. These are called liabilities. Remember, we spoke about credit transactions a little bit earlier. Those are part of assets and liabilities among many other things. Finally, the balance sheet also shows us what will be left for the owners of the business when all assets of the business are used to take care of all its liabilities. This third item is called net worth. To summarize, financial statements tell us about the health of a business. The P and L of a business indicates how a business performed during a given period. It does that by subtracting costs from revenues to show the profits and losses. Cash flow statement shows recurring and non-recurring cash inflows and cash outflows during a period. It then subtracts outflows from inflows to show us how much cash came in and how much cash went out of a business during that period. It also shows with how much cash the business began the period and how much cash is left with it at the end of the period. Balance sheet is the third financial statement which shows the long-term health of the business right from the time when it started. It shows assets, liabilities and net worth of the business. That was an overview of the three financial statements. Each statement has many more things involved in them. To understand them better, in subsequent sessions, we will go deeper into each of these statements.